Even first. Now, who's got that poise and present, and who uses her beauty with style? This is for the judges to decide as our young ladies show off exquisite gowns by Rhett Turner. Valerie Miles stands.
Terrific specialist in our business. Fred Travelina is going to be with us tonight.
Don't let them try. I'll never forget their voices.
Schaefer will not be here. That's 1 week.
Yes, the man who once boasted.
Safe, effective. Tracked him from the Norelco.
With us, we'll never get out of this alive.
Bad haircuts.
Well, as you can see, they're all beautiful.
Think about it. No, think about it for a moment. Evil people throughout history have had bad haircuts. Hitler had a bad haircut. Manson had a bad haircut. And the nastiest of all, B. Arthur. Bad.
Pale, what do you call it?
Have it.
Would you care for some python skin jellied hors d'oeuvre? Keep your eye on me. You'll know when to make a break for it.
My dear.
Would you care to join us?
Shall we dine? Thank you.
That's all right. No.
This is true.
Keep it together.
Oh, well, this. And Rip here.
Heaven's prison.
Come see. C'est eraser. Non seulement.
Street next Wednesday night. And again, it hammered.
Professor McFarlane?
Yes, what is it?
And my name is Ellison. This is Harry Jarvis. We're from the Morning Chronicle. I wonder if we could come in for a minute.
Well, I am rather busy.
Now he's going to move like right along to McGregor. That's his whole life. You know.
Good to see you, engineer.
You look great.
Where are you stationed? I haven't gotten around to giving a straight answer to that one in 4 months. But with your clearance, you know already. I'm exec of the ComCon, Jiggs.
The ComCon?
Yeah. Site Y.
Don't blame me for your orders. Come on in.